everybody, we're back on this side of the car where I actually have room. Today's video, we're going to attempt to try to get this heel board off. This is kind of the part of the restoration that I kind of was not looking forward to the most, because I got to do all this whole floor here, and it is just going to be a pain in my keister. But yeah, today I think what we're going to worry about is trying to get this off. This will probably be a several part video, starting with the heel board. But yeah, let's attempt to do that and then we'll get back at you. Alrighty guys, we're back. I got this heel board off. I ain't gonna lie to you, it took me about 6 hours to do. This little panel right here that holds the heel board to the thing was a pain in the ass to get off. I do have to repair the sill here because I blew through it a little bit while I was trying to get that thing off. Both sides are like that. I got a little rust repair right there. I got a rust repair here, a rust repair there. The center looks kind of good. I did do a couple little blowholes right here, which I'll tack those in. I'll probably just use those as spot welds, plug welds. Come over to the other side. We got same thing on this sill. And then this side actually turned out fairly decent. I don't think I blew through just a little bit right there. So I got a little patch repair right there. I didn't take this lip off down here only because I'm taking the boot floor off anyway, so I figured there wasn't no sense in me fighting it. I got to figure out how to get these off. I'm not 100% sure how these things come off. I'm gonna have to do some research. But yeah, there's that. Next thing's gonna be probably getting the boot floor out, which is gonna be a pain in the butt. But yep, I'll bring you back. Okay guys, we're back. I think what we're working on is we're gonna get this repaired, this repaired, this repaired, the one on the other side repaired. And that'll probably be it for this video after that. As you can tell, these are kind of done over a couple day period, because it takes a long time to do this stuff, so you just kind of got to just take your time and work on it. But yeah, I'm gonna start on this panel. I'll bring you back whenever I get it tacked in, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, we got one piece in. Took a little longer than I thought it would. I had to run to the store and get me a little Dremel tool cutter to cut this out because I couldn't get my 4-inch grinder down in here. But it's welded in. I couldn't grind this back because, again, I couldn't get the welder down in there, or the grinder down in there. But it's not going to interfere with the board. I done checked it. So I think when I put the board on, the heel board on, instead of spot welding that thing to the board, I think I'm going to stitch weld it. Just give it a couple little stitch welds. Next piece is this piece right here, and then we got the adjacent little piece right there that needs to be done. So yep, let me get these in and I'll bring you back. So look here guys, I found me a little secret repair I had to do. My little pocket was a little rusted down there at the bottom, so I cleaned it up, put a little patch in there. I'll clean it up a little better once I get the boot floor out, that way I can get down in there and clean it up real good. But yeah, that was pretty nasty. I got a little spot right there I need to decide what I want to do with. I think I'm gonna probably patch it too. I got a couple little blowouts there. But yeah, that was pretty gnarly. I had to cut a little bit of the floor to get into it, but that ain't no big deal. All repairs, keep finding more. But yeah, turned out fairly decent. I got a little spot there I missed on the weld I'm gonna have to hit. But okay, I'll bring you back whenever I get the rest of it done. Hey everybody, I'm back. So I got that piece in. Turned out pretty good. I had to do it in 2 pieces, so there's a little seam right there. Turned out real well though, I think. I'm about done for the day though, because these couple little pieces just took me about 4 hours, and I am plumb wore out. But yeah, I think this is gonna be the end of this video, so I appreciate it. Y'all have a good day. I'll probably do the rest of these off camera, then show you. I don't have too many more left. I've only got one there, Then I got this side panel here. Then I got a couple little plugs to plug in here. That's about it. But yeah, it's coming along. Probably the next video you'll see me taking this boot floor off. But y'all have a good day.